Hello student, in this module I am going to teach you looping statement in Java. Looping means iteration statement. Now when I say loop, that means it comes to your mind something which is round in shape. It rotates. Similarly Java loop will also rotate. Okay, Java loop also rotate. You will come to understand what I mean to say. Now looping statement, which is also called iteration statement. Okay, in Java there are three types of loop. Number one is your for loop. Number two is your while loop. And number three is your do while loop. Now these are for loop, while loop, do while loop are looping statements. These are constructs which rotate. I mean to say this one, suppose, let me rub. So what this three types of loop does, loop execute set of statement repeatedly till certain condition is satisfied. What does this mean? I will show you. I will explain you. Right? That means this looping construct are used to do a repetitive type of work. I mean to say, suppose if I tell you to print your name, say 3 times. What you will do if you don't know loop? You will print SOPLN, say Mohan. Then again you will write SOPLN Mohan. Then you will again write with SOPLN means system.out.println Mohan. If I tell, so 3 times Mohan will get print. Now if I tell you to print your name 1000 times. So you have to write SOPLN Mohan, SOPLN Mohan 1000 times, as if you have not done a homework and teacher has given you a punishment for talking in the class or for not doing the homework. So it is a very boring, it will become a very boring work. Sir, what is the way of that? I will write SOPLN Mohan only once, but it will get executed more than one time. Right? The way is looping statement. Say, if I use for loop to get this work, for loop. Okay? So how to write for loop? You have to use the keyword for, simple, small f. Then this is the braces. Take a variable over here int I. What this variable will do? Say I is equal to 1, I less than equal to say 3, I plus. Right? And this is for the braces. Inside this you write system dot out dot println, as there is no space, I am writing over here Mohan, MOHAN within double quote, Mohan, and I am closing this for ka body, right? And above this there will be a class, say ABC, public static void main, and within main this will be there. Now see how it works. See, initially, so I have written SOPLN Mohan only once, but I have put this one into a type of circle. Circle means this for loop. So you should know how for loop works. Now the control is over here int I. So the first round number 1 ka beginning mein the condition will be checked. What value I has now 1. 1 less than equal to 3. True or false? True. 1 is less than equal to 3. The control will get into the body of for loop and it will print what? Mohan over here. It will print Mohan. Then end of the first round, the third parameter, which is I plus, it means I value of I will increase by 1. That will get updated. So I which was 1 will now become 2. Now, okay sir, where the control will go? It will come out of the loop. No, it will go for the next round. Now round number 2, similarly at the beginning, I will, which is 2 less than equal to 3, condition will be tested. Yes, true. It will get into this, it will print again Mohan, End of the second round, again the third parameter, which is I plus, will get increased by 1. So I was 2 will now become 3 at the end of round number 3. Where the program control will go, it will go to next round. It is a loop, so it will keep on rotating. Now at the beginning of round number 3, I is what? 3. 3 less than equal to 3. True, it will get into this. It will execute whatever is over here. Mohan, it will print Mohan. End of third round. Again the third parameter will get updated. It will get increased by 1. So I, which was 3, will now become 4 at the end of the third round. So okay sir, I is now 3. Where the control will go, sorry 4. Where the it will go to the next round. Now see over here. At the beginning of fourth round, 4, I is 4 less than equal to 3. False. 4 is not less than equal. False. Then the control, where the control will go, as it will return a false, it will not get into the for loop. Where it will go, it will come out of the for. It will come over here. Say it is written over here. In short, I am writing SOPLN by. So it will print by over here. So have you understood this Mohan? You have written only once. SOPLN, you have written only once. As you have written it within a loop, and loop is running from 1 to 3 with increase of 1 every round. So this loop will go 3 times, it will rotate 3 times, and 3 times Mohan will get print. Had you written over here 1000, Mohan will get print 1000 times. Understood? Huh? Okay.